We need people to find some joy in every day, whatever that is, whatever that works for you. Find something that makes you happy.
BBC Sounds.
I just wonder, though, if the next pandemic is the mental health impact of all the people that haven't been able to go on real vacations and haven't been able to see their loved ones in person. I mean, is the WHO preparing for that to be the next big crisis after this crisis phase of the virus?
Well, it's an impact now. It's a huge impact now, on people's lives, and there's a lot of ways in which this virus, this pandemic, has affected all of us, not just in the health and in terms of severe disease, but also in our mental health and our well-being. It isn't COVID-19 and everything else is pushed to the side. We need to figure out how we do everything that we need to do in the context of COVID-19. And I'm seeing amazing ingenuity, creativity options, that people can help get themselves through this. But every day, we need people to find some joy in every day, whatever that is, whatever that works for you. Find something that makes you happy. This pandemic does not take away our laughter. It doesn't take away our enjoyment of podcasts and of music, listening to music and reading books or taking walks if we're able to do that, doing some exercise, eating healthy. There's lots of things that we really need to do to look out for our mental health.
Well, I'm actually quite moved by that because, it is an optimistic way of dealing with the situation we're in, but it's also quite depressing to hear how long we're going to be in this situation for and having to just completely rethink our lives. I think people haven't grasped that. I think people still think this is a thing that has kind of come out of nowhere, been a bit of a crisis. We just get through it and then we're back to normal. And it's a much longer haul than that, much, much longer.
Yeah. And I think what I like to try to do every time I speak about this is I want people to feel empowered. I want people to feel like there's something that I can do. There's something that I can do to protect myself. There's something that I can do to protect my loved ones. And there's so much that you can do. But the pandemic and the trajectory of this pandemic is in our hands. So if you look at some countries that have actually gotten through this, they're not out of the woods because no one is safe until everyone is safe. And viruses don't respect borders. And we will need to be opening up our societies and start traveling again. But countries are finding ways to get through this, and they have brought transmission under control, and their societies are opening up. I mean, that's what gives me hope.
BBC Sounds. Music, radio, podcasts.